Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all have practiced the letters A to AHA. So let's start learning the consonants, that is Vyanjan. K, K, G, K. Now, Ch, Ch, J, J. Nya, T, Th, D, D. Na, T, th, d, th, na, p, f, b, p, ma, y, r, l, v, sh, sh, s, h, ksha, tra, na, shra.
Friends, now let us see how to write these letters. So before starting the letters, I just want to tell you that never write a letter starting with the horizontal line, then a vertical line. Don't write like this. It's a wrong way of writing the alphabet. Start with a vertical line, then second step, and end with the horizontal line. This is the correct way of writing.
Friends, also observe how I am writing the other letters. Starting with K. K. I am stressing and sounding. G. G. Na. Ch, ch, j, j, nya, t, th, d, th, ra, d, th, d, th, n, p, f, b, bh, ma, y, r, l, v, sh, sha, s, ha, ksha, tra, na, and finally comes shra.
So all these are only 37 letters. So remaining 2, we also use d and dh. So total 39 consonants, out of which from k to h, that is 33 consonants are called as main consonants, and ksha to shra we have combined consonants. These 4 are called as combined consonants, and these 2 consonants are called as binary consonants. So finally, I would like to conclude that in Varnamala we have 52 letters, out of which 13 are vowels plus 33 main consonants plus 4 combined consonants and 2 binary consonants.
So friends, hope you have learnt about consonants, and please do watch my next video in which I am going to teach you about Hindi signs, that is matra.